Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your database values from Microsoft Excel database to a chart control in C Sharp. For example, I have this table which I have been showing you in the last videos, and I want to show the graph or chart first name versus the pay of the employee, or name versus the pay of the employee. So how can I do it with the help of chart control? I will show you. I will also show you how you can create different charts in the process of showing this. So, let me change size of this table for data review, and then I will go to the toolbox and I will search for the control called chart. You will see this control chart in this data section here. So drag and drop this tool from the toolbox in your form and just resize it. And after placing the chart in your form, first main thing you need to do is to change this CV here. So you can give the CV name according to your requirement, and I will show you how you can do it. Just select your chart here and search for the property called CV. This is this one. Okay, so just select the series and click the small button here, and in here you will find this series, and you can add the number of series, more than one also, and you can just use one own series only also. And first thing is to change the name of the series. So just go to here, series one property, and first thing you need to do is just change the name of it according to your series name. For example, I want to name my series as page because I want not page but the page, for example, because I want to show the page versus name, or name versus page chart, right? So I have changed the name of my series, and then you can choose the type of your chart by this here, chart type. By default, it's column, but you can choose here point chart, line, or fine, step line. There are many kind of charts you can make for yourself. Okay, so just choose the chart which is suitable for your data, and using this column chart itself, and you can change many properties from your for your chart from here, like background color, foreground color, and other properties. So you can just play with these properties and see how it goes. But I will leave all the properties for now as default. You can even change the color of the chart by going to this palette and change these colors. Okay, so just for the information. Now the series name is saved here, right? Now, for example, I want to connect it to my database. So what I will do, I will go to my toolbox and I will just drag and drop this button here, and I will change the name of this or text of this button as Node.js. Now I will just double click this button, and in here I'm going to write the code to load the chart. And in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the scalability of the code which I have been using to connect to the database and pass the query using the command. By now you already know, I think, what this code is. In this code, what I'm doing first is I'm making the try catch block, and with the help of this try catch block, I'm catching the exception. And then in the first line of this code, I'm opening the connection with the database with this OLEDD object which I have declared above. And then this connection, I have given the connection string. So if you don't know how to make a connection with the database, you can just see my first video. And then I create a OLEDB command here, and I give this connection to the command, and then I prepare a query. In this case, I'll just write the query. This is a very simple query like this. Select a switch from your stable unit. Okay, and then I will pass this query to the command here, right? Then in the next line, when this execute this command, I will just write command dot execute reader, and whatever data I will get by executing this command, I will read this data by this reader, and this reader dot read helps us to go through the results one by one, okay, in a while loop. And then in the last, I just close the connection. So whenever you make that connection with the database, you need to close it also. Otherwise, you create problems in connect once again when you want to make a connection, right? Now in this while loop, I will write the code to add a chart circuit. So in this while loop, what you need to do is just go to your form design here and just copy the name of this chart. And in my case, the chart name is chart 1, but you can change the name according to your requirement. Okay, just copy and paste the name of your chart, and then write dot series, and in the square bracket, just take the name of the series. So you can give the name of the series. So if you remember, we have given the name of our series as space in capital, right? So, or if you don't remember, then just go to this series once again, and you see the name here, space, right? Just copy it and go to the code, and then you have space the series name inside the square bracket, and then you will write dot point dot add xy. We want to make a xy column chart, right? So we'll add xy axis, and then it will take two arguments. First is the x-axis data, and second is the y-axis data, right? So I will just copy this from here, user, and as a first argument, I will take this, and in the square bracket, I will give the name of the column of x-axis. So I want to show the name on the first name on the x-axis, right? So I will just copy the column name of axis I want to show on x-axis, and then dot right. So this is the first argument, and this will be the x-axis of our chart. Comma, just copy the same and paste it here, and then the second argument will be the y-axis, which is space in our case, which is this column name, last column here, right? And let's leave it as string, and let's see what happens if we give us the result or not. I hope it will not give the result if we leave it of string, but let's see what happens. Okay, so we run the code and username and password. We show an exception because I haven't closed my Access database. And when I click the close start button, it has loaded our chart, right? So you see here the names, all the names are here from the database. Let's see, open the database first, and open it, and all the names are there, and the ages of each are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 13 entries here, You see 11 is not here, and 1 to 14 without 11 is 13 and 2. All the 13 names versus the pay of the employee. But you see here, all the names are not printed because names are bigger than the width of this column. How to solve this problem? I will show you in a moment. So just go to your form once again, select your chart here, and search for the property here called chart area. Go to the just click the small button here in front of chart areas, and then just go and go to access here. This will also show you the small button. Once again, click it, and this will give you access collection editor. And in here, you can just go to or select first of all this access, and then go to the property called interval, and by default it's auto. So in order to show all the names or all the values in front of each column, you just make it instead of auto, just make it one, interval one, right? And click OK, click OK, and let's see what happens now. Run the program, and let me close my database first, and username and password, code chart, and now you can see every name is in front of your column, right? So in this way, you can even play with the properties, and you can even change this chart color, background color, grid. There are many properties you can play with and customize your chart. So I hope you have understood the basic concept how you can load charts using your database. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.